Hello and welcome. The Prime Titanium build went through many changes over the past year. The GPU drought ended for me last month when I was able to stand in line and purchase a 3060 Ti at Best Buy for the MSRP of $399. This sparked me to upgrade other components as well. Upgrades to this build since last time include the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, AMD Ryzen 5800X, Crucial Ballistics 3600 RAM, the Asus PCIe AX3000, Intel 670p SSD, Crucial MX500, a 3.5-inch hard disk drive, and two 140mm top-mounted fans completely filling out the available fan slots on this case. Items reused from last time include the 600-watt Prime Titanium power supply unit, the Hyper 212 Black Edition CPU cooler, the Fractal Design Meshify C, and the Asus X470 Prime Pro, though the BIOS for that was updated for new CPU support and updated features. The RTX 3060 Ti was chosen since it offers more performance than the 2070 Super I was previously using. The 3060 Ti is one of the most efficient current generation GPUs, and at $399, it was at a great price. Additionally, the 3060 Ti fits quite well aesthetically with this build. The 5800X is a huge upgrade over my previous Ryzen 1700 running at 3.9 GHz, offering around 60% more performance in both single and multi-thread. The 5800X was also a good deal since it was on sale for around $320 plus tax when I bought it. With the 5800X, this setup can reach much higher RAM speeds than before. It will be interesting to see how well the Cooling Master Hyper 212 Black Edition cools this chip. This is something I will test in a future video. I have heard that this chip runs hot due to its 1CCD layout, but there seems to be quite a number of tools in the BIOS that can be used to reduce CPU temperatures. The Crucial Ballistics 3600 is both faster and higher capacity than my previous Corsair Vengeance kit of RAM. I'll test how fast I'm able to get this RAM in a future video. The 2TB Intel 670p SSD is a bit faster and has better endurance than my previous 660p drive. I'm using this drive for the operating system, my main programs, and Xbox Game Pass for PC. The Crucial MX500 was added for Steam, Epic Uplay, and other client games. Most games these days do not take advantage of NVMe speeds. That might change with direct storage, but today's games run fast enough on a SATA SSD. A high-capacity hard disk drive was added for data backups. The Asus PCIe AX3000 adds support for Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6, an improvement over the previous model I was using. BIOS updates for the X470 Prime Pro gives new life to this machine by allowing Ryzen 5000 CPU support, better memory overclocking, and new features like resizable bar and Precision Boost Overdrive 2 Curve Optimizer. It is a great feeling when an older component gains new features. Cable management has become a bit more challenging, especially at the back of the case thanks to the use of 5 SATA data cables and 6 fan cables. In order to get 6 case fans onto this motherboard, which only has 3 fan slots, I am making use of 2 fan splitters. One 3-fan splitter for the 3 front-mounted 120mm fans, and one 2-fan splitter for the top 2 140mm fans. Using the X470 Prime BIOS, I am able to control the fan speeds of these standard 3-pin case fans with Asus Fan Expert. At idle, I have made the fans very silent, with the fans only ramping up when the CPU is loaded, which for me is a rare occurrence. In the end, these upgrades have made a drastic improvement to this PC. It reaches my goal of beating current generation console performance. With 4TB worth of SSD storage, there is plenty of space for games. With an additional 11TB of HDD storage, there is a lot of room for backups. Operation is silent, and it is well cable managed, which improves the overall look of the machine. This concludes this video. Thanks for watching.